Hello and welcome. My name is Melissa. I am the owner and artist at the Top Drawer RVA. I am a Dixie Belle brand ambassador and I'm here today to show you everything about the new Chameleon Wax and Gilding Wax by Dixie Belle. Let's go over some of the instructions for use for Dixie Belle's Gilding Wax. Prepare any unpainted surfaces with white lightning or allow your Dixie Belle paint to dry completely before use. You can use a foam applicator, a small brush, or your finger for application. For this project, I used a dark color paint so that you can see the gold gilded surface. I used a small brush and applied it to the detail on the piece. The gilding wax will take approximately 4 hours to dry. Lightly buff after 12 hours to produce a beautiful gilded finish. There are 6 new gilding wax colors. They are very highly pigmented, beautiful rich colors, and oil-based product. Gilding wax works amazing on hardware. Let's learn about the new Chameleon Waxes. The new Chameleon Wax has an iridescent shimmer. It looks one color in the pot and then a different color on your piece. You can apply your Chameleon Waxes in the same manner that you apply your Gilding Waxes, a small brush, your finger, or a foam applicator. Color shown here is apricot. Chameleon Wax works amazing with stencils. I used a foam applicator, applied the Chameleon Wax onto the dark paint, and was left with a beautiful iridescent shimmer.